Hi guys, hope all is well. Now I'm going to show you how to make some hot foot powder. Now I'm going to need some salt. I'm going to add some black pepper. Need some confusion powder. Okay, got some confusion powder. Oh, if you don't have this, you can use black mustard seeds. I've got my black mustard seeds already crushed up in the confusion powder. Okay, we're going to add some chili powder or cayenne pepper. And some sulfur. And those are your ingredients, the main ingredients. Okay, so you could actually say the 35th Psalm while you're doing this. And this is gonna, keep people away from you, remove a situation, remove a person, right, without causing them any harm. Right, and that's the beauty about it. It's not going to cause any harm or anything like that. It's just going to remove them from your life. Now, I know a lot of people don't get on with their neighbours and they want to, remove the neighbours. Now, it's going to be a little bit harder to remove the neighbour, okay? Because the neighbour has been there for many, many years. I'm just trying to get this in a bowl here. Right, the neighbour has been there for many, many years, so it would be very difficult to get rid of that person. Right, so it won't happen as quick as maybe getting rid of the boyfriend, the girlfriend, the annoying person, work situation. Those would move quicker than the annoying neighbor. Right? It would just take much, much longer for that to work. So you have to maybe repeat what you're doing a few times. Right, and then you're gonna get yourself a candle, a black candle. It's fine if you can get that. But I'm using a purple candle. Purple's good for control. So you're gonna get this candle. You're just gonna smudge it before you use it. A lot of people can't afford the bigger candles. Tea lights are just as good. You might want to do it a few times. Maybe you buy a pack of 6, 7 or 8 or something like that and do it through the week. Right, so you're going to write the person's name or the situation or whatever it is on this candle. Right, so for example, I'm just going to write someone's name. Right, so and then use some go away oil. If you don't have any go away oil or anything like that, you can use olive oil. Right, so you hold up that candle. Right, and while you're doing this, just imagine that, you want to get rid of, move away this person or situation from you. Okay, always have that in mind. Right, and then you want to add on your ingredients. Okay, and just rub it into the name. And ask this person to stay away from me, to leave me alone, to be removed from my life. And you liked it, right? Hotfoot powder could also be used if you sprinkle around where the person live. You can do that. You could put it in mojo bags. You know, there's various ways you can use the hotfoot powder wherever you feel comfortable. Okay, however you feel comfortable in using it. But with the candles just as well, it works just as good, and that will get rid of your situation, problem, or person. Okay, take care.